Welcome back. In the last lesson, you learned how to customize your map by changing colors, shapes, and sizes. After this lesson, you will be able to customize your map background to better tell the story of your data. Let's go. When you create a map view, there are several options to help you control the appearance of the map. These options are available in the Map Layers pane. Let's begin by opening our Superstore dataset. And on a new worksheet, let's drag our state field to our view. To change our background, let's click on Map from our toolbar, and then select Map Layers. Now we have many options to choose from to customize our map background. We can choose the Map Layers pane to modify how the map appears. You can change the map background style, hide and show map layers, such as street names and country borders, and add data layers. When you are connected to the Tableau background map, you can choose between 3 background styles, normal, light, or dark, to customize the appearance of your map. Under Background, let's click on the down arrow on our style and change it to dark. We can also move the washout slider to the left or right to change the intensity of the background map. The further the slider moves to the right, the more faded the map becomes. Tableau maps provide several layers that can mark points of interest on the map. For example, you can overlay streets and highways, county boundaries, and more on the map to give your data context. Some map layers are only visible at specific zoom levels. If a map layer is unavailable at your current level of zoom, it will appear grayed out. To use layers that are not available, zoom further into the view. In addition to map layers, you can turn on a variety of predefined data layers that show U.S. Census information. Let's click on the down arrow on our layer option, and let's choose population. We can see now that Tableau adds a layer of population by state to our map background. There are many more options in the pane, so make sure you spend some time trying each one out. So far in this course, we have covered what types of geographic data Tableau allows you to use to create maps, how to connect to a different data source that may hold geographic data that you may want to use in your analysis, how to customize your map by changing colors, shapes, and sizes, and how to customize your map background. In the next section, we will cover creating Tableau maps with geographic data not recognized by Tableau, such as street addresses. See you next time.